This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look here, and we're going to be making this as brief as possible. Links for more information are going to be in the description of the video so we can save some time. But I want to show you how you can take advantage of flat moving averages. I've talked about this in many other videos over the years. Many videos talking about this concept, and what we are doing here is highlighting areas where we have flat moving averages. And here, essentially, we are looking at the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving averages. So, this is very simple and yet very powerful, because if you use this concept, sometimes when the market is in a giving mood, you can own an instrument moving from 2 to 6 in under a week. This is what happened in this instant here. A very powerful move. The concept is the same concept I've been talking to you guys over many years. As you can see here, the flat moving averages. So let's set the stage. The only way we can get a crossover after this flat moving average and this flat moving average, there is only one way only, where the 50-day can move above the 200-day moving average. That crossover can only take place by bending. So you need this moving average to bend higher. And the only way to do that from a flat position is by a breakout. And that is where you find your entry from a timing perspective. Take the highest daily close during that setup situation. When all that is being formed, look for a breakout above the daily closing range if it's a daily chart, and this being a daily chart, this is your first entry here. There's also another entry after 2 days of rest, which gives you another breakout entry here for a very desirable explosive move that took this instrument from about 2.6 to about 6 in under, let's call it 3 days or so. As I said, I'm going to be saving us time. This is the Muathe Virgin Breakout in display. Links are going to be in the description where you can find more information. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.